Is it safe to use smaller dimension lumber for a 20-foot span?
Hello, DIY enthusiasts and builders. In today's episode, we'll be discussing a crucial topic: the size of lumber for a specific span. Is it safe to use smaller dimension lumber for a 20-foot span? Let's find out.
Understanding lumber dimensions.
First, it's important to understand what we mean by smaller dimension lumber. The dimensions of lumber refer to its thickness and width, with standard sizes ranging from 2x4s to 2x12s. When we talk about smaller dimensions, we're generally referring to lumber like 2x4s and 2x6s.
The importance of span.
Span, on the other hand, refers to the distance a piece of lumber can safely bridge without support. It's based on the type of lumber, its size, and the load it will bear. In this case, we're talking about a 20-foot span. That's quite a distance, and not all lumber will be safe or suitable for this purpose.
The dangers of undersizing.
Using undersized lumber for a large span can lead to serious problems, including sagging, structural damage, and even potential collapse. This is particularly true if the lumber is bearing a heavy load, such as in flooring or roofing. Remember, safety is always paramount in any building project.
So, is smaller safe for a 20-foot span?
In general, smaller dimension lumber is not suitable for a 20-foot span without additional support. For example, a 2x4 of Douglas fir lumber should only be used for a span of up to 9 feet, while a 2x6 of the same type can span up to 12 feet. To safely bridge a 20-foot span, you would likely need to use larger dimension lumber, such as 2x12s, or potentially even larger depending on the load. However, these are rough estimations and specific projects may require different solutions. In conclusion, it's always best to consult with a structural engineer or another qualified professional when planning to span large distances with lumber. They can help you determine the safest and most effective dimensions for your specific project. Remember, when it comes to construction, safety should always be your first concern. Stay safe and happy building!